In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Superscript in Google Docs. Superscript is that small, raised text you often see in math exponents like x squared, in footnote numbers, or for certain notations. It's a simple formatting feature, and once you know where it lives and how to toggle it, you can apply it in seconds. Start by opening your document and selecting the exact characters you want to raise. Highlighting first is key, because Google Docs applies Superscript to whatever is selected. If you select a word, the entire word will shift. If you highlight just a single character, only that character changes. Take a moment to be precise so you get the result you want. With your text selected, head to the top menu and choose Format, then hover over Text and click Superscript. The selected text will immediately become smaller and sit slightly above the normal line of text. That subtle lift tells you it's worked, and it's perfect for things like footnote markers or mathematical notation. You can continue typing normally afterward. Only the highlighted portion changes unless you toggle Superscript on again. If you prefer speed, there's a handy keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and the period key. On a Mac, press Command and the period key. This shortcut toggles Superscript on and off, which is great if you're applying it repeatedly throughout a document. Just remember you still need to highlight the text first if you're adjusting existing characters. If you toggle the shortcut with nothing selected, the mode turns on for whatever you type next, and you can toggle it off when you're done. To return any Superscript back to normal text, simply select the superscripted characters and turn the option off the same way you turned it on. You can go back through the Format menu to Text and click Superscript again, or use the same keyboard shortcut to toggle it off. As soon as you do, the text will return to its regular size and position on the baseline, keeping your document consistent. A few quick tips as you work. Check your spacing around superscripts to make sure your lines still read smoothly, especially in dense paragraphs. If you're formatting multiple instances, move steadily through your document, highlight each one, and use the shortcut to save time. And as always, give your document a final read to confirm everything looks intentional and polished. That's all you need to format superscripts in Google Docs quickly and cleanly.